What's up, guys? So today we're gonna fire up the Cobalt, see how she sounds, and we're gonna do a little bit of the interior trim. So typical Chevys, they got a crappy interior, but it's nothing I'm not already used to. So there's a proper tool to pop these out. If you're careful about it, you should be able to pop them out on your own. It's just plastic, so you gotta be super careful, make sure the stuff doesn't break. Alright, so we got this one out. This one's for the fog lights and for the dash. So all I really did is I popped this kick panel out. I don't know about your guys' Cobalts, but mine just kind of popped out. So I just pulled that out, reached in behind there, pulled that down, and then I just kind of pushed on this and wiggled, and here she came. So now I'm going to take it apart and we'll show you what it looks like with the new one on. There's what it looks like installed. That looks friggin' awesome if you ask me. Compared to this anyways. Yeah. Moving on to the next piece. So while I was getting that side out, I managed to get the middle part out too. So now, time to put it in. And there we go. That looks awesome. Way better than the plain old gray that was in here before. We gotta try to do this one. This one's a bit of pain. So we'll see how we can do. So funny story behind this trim in this car. So as you can see, that doesn't actually match. And the reason for that is because, my car is an SS, and the SS version of these cars, they have this little infotainment area for the dash. So this is actually from like a LT, or like one of the base model versions of the Cobalt, or so I actually have the piece that's supposed to go there, but there's no buttons in it. So maybe down the road we'll add buttons ourselves. But in the meantime, let's move on to the door handles. It's going to look interesting with the red door. But we're actually going to start with this side, because as you can see I have the door panel off already, and that'll make it really easy to work on this one. So there it is in, looking good. It works, of course. But yeah, so what you got to do, there's a tab right there. Push on that, this little orange thing pops out, and you just plug it back in. And then this thing, same thing, there's a little tab on the bottom. Pop it out, pop it back in. Super easy. And moment of truth, I think that looks friggin' awesome. I don't care if it's got the red. I think this is really cool. Everything works. I'll show you. Need a new window motor on that side, but there we have it. All nice new blue lightning trim inside the car. I think that looks freaking sweet. So I'd call today a success. I think it looks freaking awesome. Again, shout out to Kelvin Rogers for finding that stuff for me, as I'd never find it out here in BC, I don't think. So I also got some big news today. I ordered a GM Performance clutch. So that should be here probably in the next week or two, hopefully. So the next video will probably be us taking the axles out and start to take transmission out, so that we're ready to pop that in when it gets here. So thanks again for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.